Guys, have you ever found yourself tripping over multiple charging cables or struggling to find a free outlet to charge all your gadgets? Well, what if I told you there's a way to charge all of your favorite devices at once and it actually enhances the look of your room? Well guys, today we are diving into the world of multi-device charging with the latest gadget on the market, the Duzzona W20 charger. So stay tuned as we unpack all of the cool features of this 4-in-1 charger. Back in a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, what exactly is the Duzzona W20 charger? And why should you consider it? Well, unlike typical chargers, the Duzzona W20 offers a 4-in-1 magnetic charging solution and nightlight. This means you can charge your iPhone, Apple Watch and AirPods simultaneously. Each spot on the charger is specifically designed to ensure your device not only charges efficiently, but is also easy to access. Now guys, before we get into it, Duzzona sent me this cool charger to review for my honest opinion. You know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we've got some paperwork. We also have a Type-C to Type-C cable so you can plug the charger into a wall outlet. Then you have the charger itself. Now, this is obviously designed to mimic a house. You have the two eaves, which the back one opens up, reveals a recess where you can place your AirPods to charge. And of course, because it's open now, it's flat and it becomes a charging pad for you to charge your Apple Watch. On the front eave, well, that's where you're going to place your phone to charge, and that magnet is pretty strong, so nothing is going to slip off. You also have the touch control on the side, which turns the light on, so you get a dim light, you get a nice warm light, or you get a bright one, and this is ideal to use as a night light. And then guys, on the front you have an LED that shows you that your devices are charging. Now, what about viewing angles? Well, because this 4-in-1 charger is shaped like a house, you can definitely see your phone screen clearly, which is ideal for watching videos or making video calls. And although while this one is white, it also comes in two other colors, so it's going to fit in with whatever decor you have. Also guys, safety is key when it comes to charging, and the Duzzona W20 has got you covered there too. It offers safety features like over voltage, over current and over temperature protection, and this is going to ensure that your devices are charged safely and it's going to extend their lifespan. And guys, with a full 15 watts charging capability, you can ensure that all of your devices get charged quickly and efficiently. I mean, imagine placing your phone on a charging pad and getting 40% battery in around 50 minutes. I mean, that's the convenience of what the Duzzona W20 offers. And think about it guys, your iPhone, your AirPods and your Apple Watch all getting juiced up at once. I mean, no more choosing which device to charge first or waiting for one to finish before charging another. And how does it work? Well, the Duzzona W20 uses a refined magnetic technology which aligns perfectly with your devices, ensuring optimal charging every time. It's designed to be universally compatible with all phones that support magnetic charging. So whether you're an iPhone user or you sport a different brand, this device has got you covered. I mean, let's talk about a day in the life with the Duzzona W20. I mean, picture this, you come home from work, your phone's at 10%, your AirPods are dead because you've been commuting all day, and your watch is barely hanging on. It's a reality, but with the Duzzona W20, simply drop them on the charger and in no time, all your devices are freshened up and ready to go. I mean, it's cool. So guys, there you have it. This cool and stylish charger and nightlight combo does it all. Charging isn't just a necessity, it can also be organised, efficient and stylish. With options like the Duzzona W20 4-in-1 magnetic charger, you can ensure all your devices are always primed and your space stays clutter-free. And what about the price? Well, I can tell you now guys that this is available on Kickstarter at a pre-order early bird price of only $29. I mean, that's a steal. I will leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Guys, thanks to you for watching, and thanks to Duzzona for sending me this very cool charger and nightlight to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.